Yes, a fire pump can be connected to an electrical system before the main breaker. This is typically done to ensure that the fire pump has power in the event of a main breaker trip or other electrical system failure. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, Standard 20 spells out the requirements for the connection of fire pumps to electrical systems. According to NFPA 20, the distance between the fire pump connection point and the main breaker should be minimized. The fire pump should be provided with a separate circuit breaker or disconnecting means upstream of the main breaker. NFPA 20 provides recommended practices for the installation of the fire pump electrical connection. Firstly, the fire pump circuit breaker should be located in a separate panel or enclosure that is not subject to damage from a fire in the area of the main switchboard. Secondly, the fire pump circuit breaker should be clearly labeled as fire pump. Thirdly, the fire pump circuit breaker should have an ampacity rating sufficient to handle the full load of the fire pump motor and any additional loads that may be connected downstream. And fourthly, the fire pump circuit breaker should be tripped manually to test the fire pump monthly. The fire pump is a critical safety device and must have a reliable power source. Connecting it before the main breaker ensures that power is available even in the event of a built-in wide power outage. The main breaker is a single point of failure, and connecting the fire pump before it provides redundancy in case of breaker failure. NFPA 20 requires that fire pumps have a dedicated electrical connection that is not affected by the operation of the main breaker.